Welcome to our channel. Today we are delving into a powerful practice of Ayurvedic Dinacharya, the daily routine hailed as the best preventive medicine for overall wellness and disease prevention. Ayurvedic Dinacharya, rooted in the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, which is the Indian traditional medicine, offers a holistic approach to daily living. By aligning with natural rhythms and adopting nurturing habits, we can harness the body's innate healing potential. Begin your day 2 hours before dawn, around 4 to 5 a.m. during the sacred time known as Brahma muhurta. This spiritually charged period is ideal for personal development and spiritual practices. Hydrate your body with 1.5 to 2 cups of warm water to aid in colonic elimination. A water bolus in the morning helps with the gastrocolic reflex essential for elimination of colonic waste. Elimination of stool first thing in the morning is considered a sign of good health in Ayurveda. Follow this through oral care, including oil pulling, brushing, flossing, and tongue scraping for oral hygiene. Practice oil pulling by swishing sesame or coconut oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. This ancient technique detoxifies the body and promotes oral health. Cleanse your nasal passages with jala neti using a neti pot and saline solution. This practice enhances breathing and soothes the mind. Engage in a balanced exercise routine that includes cardiac, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Yoga postures are excellent options. Incorporate pranayama or breathing exercises to enhance energy levels, remove toxins, and promote relaxation. Follow with self-massage using warm oil to nourish the body and calm the mind. This is known as abhyanga. Oils that can be used for massage include coconut oil, olive oil, or mustard oil. Take shower after massage. Use lukewarm water for bathing. And then begin your day with meditative or prayer for mental clarity and emotional stability. Take 15 to 20 minutes to cultivate a focused mind and open heart. At around 8 to 9 a.m., fuel your body with a light, nutritious breakfast rich in complex carbs, fruits, and nuts. Opt for oatmeal, fruits, and almonds to sustain energy levels throughout the morning. Practice mindfulness throughout the day, maintaining good posture and taking regular breaks. Savor a balanced lunch around midday, incorporating complex carbs, proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and prioritize fresh homemade meals. Lunch is considered the main meal in Ayurveda. Take a short walk after lunch to aid digestion and rejuvenate your body and mind. Use this time to connect with nature and recharge for your afternoon ahead. Hydration. Do not drink water with meals. Drink 1 hour after the meal and then as needed. So drink water only when you are thirsty. Avoid excess hydration. If feasible, take a short nap lasting 15 minutes in the afternoon. This is especially beneficial for people over 50. In the evening, transition into relaxation mode with calming activities such as meditation, gentle yoga, or spending time with loved ones. Opt for a light dinner before sunset around 6 to 7 p.m., focusing on easily digestible foods to support restful sleep. Dinner should be half the size of lunch. Take a short walk for 15 minutes after dinner to aid digestion and promote relaxation. Wind down your day with an evening routine involving time with family and light reading. Follow that with soothing bedtime routines such as meditation. Avoid screen time before bed to promote deep restorative sleep. Drink a glass of water before bedtime. Sleep between 9 to 10 p.m. In summary, by embracing Ayurveda Dinacharya as your daily habit routine, you empower your body's innate healing abilities and cultivate holistic wellness. Make a habit of this routine. Thank you for joining us this journey towards balance and vitality. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more insights into living a balanced life with Ayurveda. Stay healthy and take care.